Welcome. Learn English the easy way with our simple How to Say videos. Be sure to listen to the video fully, as the word will be placed into a sentence for better understanding of its usage. The accent used in all our videos is British and the language is English. If you want to learn any specific words, please let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like any videos that you find helpful so others can find them. And of course, be sure to subscribe to allow us to let you know when there's another video ready for you to learn from. Here's how to pronounce patented. 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 The product was patented, so we decided to no longer go ahead with any further research. Patented. 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 Patented.